everyone. Everybody have jealous and envy in us. There are good jealous, there are bad one. Just like I told you, there are children that compete, and everybody needs. There are good competition, there are bad competition. When you see your friend is doing things well, and when you get home, you try to do that same thing. This your friend dance a lot. You want to dance the way your friend dance. This my friend is so wise. What makes her to be wise is because she read a lot of books, and you want to read the same way she's reading. My dear, all those one is not bad one. It is good jealous. Do those ones. Compete. But the one that is bad is when you have gotten all these things. You know that it's through this your friend do. You've gotten a lot of things. You learn how to pray through her. You learn how to dance through her. You learn how to talk through her. You are getting a lot of wisdom through her. Yes, you can never for one day say, thank you for giving me this kind of friend. Instead, you talk down at that your friend. That one is wrong.